Here we are in a 2007 Corvette installing the Valentine 1 Gen 2, and I have a blend mount, which is a great bracket. Instructions are great, easy to put in. Here's a Mirrortap MT-1010, which is what on blend mount when I ordered my kit. It's what they said to use. And here is some information about how this goes in. So this is that's the top of the plug, bottom of the plug. This goes into the mirror. This is the back. So I'm tapped in with the red one on the pink wire, fourth one over from the left on the bottom, and the black one is tapped in next to the black one in the upper left corner. So that's your positive and your negative. So then these wires are really small, right by my finger here on the blend mount on the mirror tap wire. So I got these two little zip ties. One of them's holding the wires down right there, and the other one, there's a piece of shrink tube on the jacketing. The other one I got it right close to there, just as close on there as I can get it, so it mounts solid and these can't wiggle. So when I do that, if I plug this back in to the back of the mirror, right up here, there, and then I get the mirror back where it belongs, this wire right here, no matter where you put this thing, it will not reach over here. It is just plain and simple too short to plug into that Valentine 1. Even if you slide this thing all the way forward, far as it'll go, this is just plain, you can't get there. It's just too short. So if you're using the mirror tap on the 2000 Corvette or 2007 Corvette and you have this mirror, this is too short. So get something different.